Fulfilling Zendrop orders on your Shopify store involves a streamlined process. Here's how to do it. Receive order notification. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, you'll receive a notification in both Shopify and Zendrop. Access Zendrop dashboard. Log into your Zendrop account. Navigate to the Orders section in the Zendrop dashboard. Review order details. Check the order details to ensure everything is correct. Verify the product, quantity, and customer information. Auto-fulfillment. If auto-fulfillment is enabled, Zendrop will automatically process the order. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your payment method to cover the order cost. Zendrop will deduct the product cost and shipping fee from your payment method and start processing the order. Manual fulfillment. If auto-fulfillment is not enabled, select the order you wish to fulfill manually. Click on the Fulfill Order button and confirm the order. Zendrop will then process the payment and begin fulfillment. Order processing and shipping. Zendrop handles product sourcing, packaging, and shipping. They will update the order status to processing and then to shipped once dispatched. Tracking information. Once the order is shipped, Zendrop will provide a tracking number. The tracking information will be automatically synced with your Shopify store, updating your customer. Customer notification. Shopify will send an email to your customer with the tracking details, keeping them informed about their order status.